Hello guys, myself Harpreet Singh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Harpreet Makes Videos. Like last time I visited Pragjyotispur Resort and in that video you saw the beauty of nature and its base. So now I'm visiting today. I'm planning to visit Hahila Beel, a picnic spot. You will get to watch the video and some pics. Before that, I was not planning, but suddenly I saw newly opened restaurant Refresko, and I just took some pics. And I have not gone inside the restaurant, but I'll visit soon. So now we'll just get to watch the video of Hahila Beel. Now I'm visiting in that place, so do like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be providing the best places to visit in Nagaon. So stay tuned. So see you in the next part of the video. So now way to Hahila Beel, and my friend is with me.
Hi.
He was not in the first part of the video as he was taking the video from the back camera, you know. So now I'm see where is my scooty. Okay, so I'm just visiting. Okay, so stay tuned for the video. Reach Hahila Beel. I think I will take some pictures and videos. This will be a short video, but hope you enjoy the video. So I'm showing you all the nature. See, another beautiful natural place. You can see the background. Oh my god, it's looking awesome. Okay, so I'll take the video through the back camera, then you can get to see more nice in the video.